Okay, today we are going to talk about machine learning. This is my first video in my channel, and I know all of you heard about machine learning in everyday life because it is also talk about in social media, news, movies, like that. So, what is actually this machine learning is? Oh, is it a robot like this? Or is it a magic? Or is it a superpower that computers are powered? Oh, this is not a big thing in everyday life. Let me explain it in simple words. Imagine there is a small kid. Okay, he's going to learn about fruits. At the beginning, he don't know anything. He doesn't know anything. His parents comes in and shows him three flashcards like this. Okay. In the first flashcard, there's an apple, and it is also labeled as an apple. In the second flashcard, there's a banana, and it is also labeled as banana. In the third flashcard, there's an orange. Uh, you know, there it is labeled as an orange. When the child sees these flashcards, he identify some patterns in these fruits. Uh, uh, when he look at this apple, he he saw it is round and also red. When he look at this banana, it is long and it is yellow. When he look at this orange, it is also round and it is orange colored. Okay, like that he identify the patterns of those fruits. Okay, then he then think he is grown and he is a older child now. Okay. Okay, now someone comes in and he shows an apple. The difference is it is not labeled now. Okay. Uh, After that, when the this older child look at okay, when the older child look at this fruit, he saw this is round and it is also red. From the previous knowledge he gained in his kid's age, he know this is the apple. He don't look at a book for identify it. He know it is apple because he identified patterns in his childhood. Okay, this is the concept you need to recognize in your remember in your thought, because this is the concept behind the big term of machine learning. Now we are going to talk about that. Now we are going to swap the child with a computer or a machine. Okay, computer. Instead of just three flashcards, we need to feed thousands, sometimes millions of images to the computer, because it is not as the child. Okay, let me draw some fruits. Explain it simple. Think about this is thousands image set. Okay, this is a 1,000 image sets of fruits. We can call this set as training data set. Training data. Okay, what the computer do after feeding those images? There's another thing called a model. Okay, this is model. Inside after feeding those things to the model like that, let me draw. Okay, another 3 oranges. After feeding thousands and millions of images to this model, in that model, it identifies patterns. Okay, it identifies patterns like the child's brain, like the child's brain. After identifying those patterns, then if an apple appears, he know it is an apple, and first he makes a prediction because his previous knowledge about identification of those patterns, and he identified this one as an apple. This is the concept behind this big term machine learning. Okay. Uh, Now you learn it in simple words, but you already use this in your everyday life. You know spam filters in your emails. Okay, yeah, also in Netflix and or Spotify recommendations, and also in even social media, Facebook, Instagram, like this. This is all the these all algorithms use machine learning to filter them to your preferences. Okay, I hope you enjoy and learn the big term machine learning in simple words. So I hope to do lots more videos like this simple uh, ones, and hope you subscribe to my channel. And this is my first video also, and yeah, I can see some mistakes and shyness about this video in these videos, and hope I improve myself later on. Okay, hope you see on my next video, and until then, have a nice day. Okay, thank you.